in the heart of East Africa, unfolds one of the most extraordinary natural events on Earth. The Great Migration. Millions of wildebeest and zebras gather as one unstoppable force driven by ancient instinct, pushed forward by hunger, hope and the promise of survival. What you are about to witness is a journey older than civilization itself, a journey that shapes the very rhythm of the Serengeti. As the dry season tightens its grip, the herds reach a decisive moment, the crossing. Before them lies a deep valley, a treacherous passage carved by time and storms. The crowd grows. Tension rises. And in a single surge, the first wildebeest leaps forward, breaking the sheer for all who follow. A thunder of hooves fills the air as thousands pour into the valley floor. Dust rises, echoing the chaos of survival. Zebras call out, guiding their young, while wildebeest charge forward with relentless determination. Every step is a challenge: steep drops, shifting ground, and the sheer weight of millions pressing forward. Yet nothing slows them. Instinct is stronger than fear. The herd becomes a living river, flowing through the valley with incredible force. The rhythm of hooves, the cries of the animals, the trembling earth all merge into a single, powerful symphony of life. Here, hesitation is dangerous. Only those who move with the herd will survive the chaos of the crossing. As more and more animals push through, the valley transforms into a storm of motion and sound. Thousands leap over rocks and obstacles, following a path carved by countless generations before them. This is the raw essence of life in the wild, a test of strength, resilience, and unity. Every animal knows, falling behind is not an option. And then, slowly, the chaos begins to say. The herd emerges on the other side, exhausted but victorious. They have crossed one of the most dangerous obstacles of their journey, a challenge that claims thousands every year. Ahead of them lies the promise of green lands, fresh water, and new life. This is the Great Migration, the eternal heartbeat of Africa,